right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, Happy New Year 2022. Hopefully not 20 part 2, if you know what I mean. Let's talk about New Year's goals. Now, we make New Year's resolutions, and I don't believe in those because, well, you never keep them. But let's talk about goals to, well, in your life. Goals for 2022 for, well, what you're going through, whatever your situation in life. If you don't set goals for yourself, you're not going anywhere. You're not going to do anything better than you are right now. So I don't like resolutions because you're really not going to do them. But you set yourself goals and you try your best to set those goals. Whether it is losing weight, no comments, improving your diagnostic skills, getting more efficient at repairs, being better with money, whatever those goals are, you need to look at your goals, write them down, put them in your phone, figure out what you want to do in 2022. It might be, well, I want to go on a trip to the UK, depending on what happens next year. That's a plan for me and my family. But my point of that is write it down and look at those goals constantly. If you don't have goals, you're not going to go anywhere. Figure out what you want to do in 2022 and make those goals happen. Sometimes goals just don't happen. But if you're not pushing for those goals to happen, they're not going to happen then either, right? Write those goals down and figure out a path to make those goals happen. Whatever they are in your life, because, well, it's your life. I can't tell you what goals to have, but write them down. Write down a plan to get from point A to point B. Put out your roadmap. Figure out where you want to go in 2022 because, well, it's a new year. If you're not improving yourself, well, you're going backwards. Make those goals a reality. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.